Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace your refrigerator wiring harness on your GE refrigerator. If you need to buy a new wiring harness for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Since we will be working on the refrigerator's electrical components, disconnect the power to the refrigerator. The wiring harness is located beneath the middle cover assembly on top of the refrigerator. Start by removing the screws holding the end caps in place using a 1/4-inch nut driver. Then, slide the end caps up and out. Next, remove the screw holding the middle cover assembly in place. Remove the screw holding the ground wire in place using a 1/4-inch nut driver. Disconnect the 12-pin connector on the right side by lifting it up to remove it from the retaining slot and then pinching the locking tabs. Then, disconnect the 3 electrical connectors on the left by depressing the locking tabs. After disconnecting all of the electrical connectors, you should be able to lift the middle cover assembly off of the refrigerator. Before moving forward, take a photo to reference later to ensure all components get reconnected correctly. Then, disconnect the electrical connectors from the fresh food light switches. Next, remove the ground wires using the needle nose pliers. Remove the 3-pin connector by pinching the locking tabs on either side while pushing through the slot. Then, peel back the tape. Slide the wiring harness out of the retainer. If you need to purchase a new wiring harness, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, route the wiring harness beneath the retaining tabs. Then, insert the 3-pin connector into the retaining slot and press until it snaps into place. Press the 12-pin connector into place. Then, referencing the photo from earlier, reinstall the fresh food light switch electrical connectors. Next, press the ground wires into place. Then, set the middle cover assembly in place, being sure that the screw holes align, and then reinstall the screw. Reconnect the electrical connectors on both the right and left sides. Next, reinstall the ground wire screw. Finally, align the notches on the hinge caps to the slots on the middle cover assembly and slide them into place. Then, reinstall the screws. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.